Welcome to my new video, and in this video I will show you how to make object detecting circuit using Arduino and IR sensors. This circuit can be modified and used in many applications such as automatic water tap, doors, soap dispensers and many other applications. Components of the circuit are one Arduino Uno R3 board, one IR sensor, 3 jumper wires and one Arduino Uno cable. To understand the circuit, let us first understand about IR sensor. The full form of IR sensor is infrared sensor. Now you can see an IR sensor in my hand. It has 3 terminals: out terminal, GND terminal and VCC terminal. It has 2 LEDs. The transparent LED transmits the infrared sensor radiation or IR radiation. When there is an object is in front of it, the IR radiation reflects the object and goes to the black LED. When black LED receives the radiation, it does the necessary things written in the code. Now let's make the circuit. So first I will connect the VCC of IR sensor to the 5 volt of Arduino. Then I will connect GND of IR sensor to the GND of Arduino. And at last I will connect out of IR sensor to D2 terminal of Arduino. Now let's look at the code of the circuit. So the first line hashtag define IR2 is used to tell the Arduino board that we have connected IR sensor to D2 terminal in Arduino. Now the second part, void setup. Now in this circuit we are using serial monitor. It is a tool which is used for communication between Arduino board and the user. It is also used for debugging purposes. So the speed at which information travels to the board is measured in baud. Now we need to mention these bauds in the code. So here we have took 9600 bauds. Now in the next line, pin mode IR input. Now in the last video we have connected a buzzer to the circuit. Now buzzer is an output device which sends sound as an output. Now here IR sensor is receiving radiations. So it is an input device. So we need to mention in the code. Now the third part, INT IR read is equal to digital read IR. Now this means that we have given a name to the IR radiations received by the IR sensor. Now here comes a conditional statement. Now if the IR digital read IR is equal to 0, it means that there is an object in front of it. So the serial monitor should show that object is detected or object detected. Now if the digital read IR is more than 0 or more than 1, it should show that and no object is there because radiation is not received. So the serial monitor should show that no object is detected. So here we have written that if IR read is equal to 0, serial monitor should print in that object is detected. Else it should print in that no object is detected. So this is the overall code in this circuit which is used to run the entire circuit. Now I will upload the code in the circuit. Now you can see that code has been uploaded. Now I will click the serial monitor logo at the top right corner of the screen. Now when I click the logo, serial monitor appears. And this is the serial monitor as you can see on the screen. Now object detected is showing because digital read IR is equal to 0. Now when I lift the IR sensor and there is no object in front of it, no object is being displayed. If I keep my hand in front of the sensor, object detected is being shown in the serial monitor. Now this is how the circuit works. I hope you understood how an IR sensor works. If you are new to the channel, please like my videos and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.